Going back to Williams, ask yourselves why. That's where the track's leading. That's where I left my truck. Thank you, darling. Don't forget about the Williams nightlife. It happens between 8 and 8:15. That's right. 2 drunk cowboys and they run out of bullets real fast. Be there when they start shooting if you want to get half-price drinks. My name is Craig Summers. That's been for the past couple of weeks. I'm in the witness protection. Cowboy shot dead this morning. Not dead. It's the water. If you can drink the water in Williams and survive, bullets can't hurt you. If it doesn't come out of a bottle, if it doesn't come out of a can, if Beth Darling doesn't pour it for you, be suspicious of it. Better still, walk away from it. You will be happier if you do. Trust me on this. I'll leave you all with one last thought. Peace and love. The third choice is yours. Nobody here from the 60s, huh? Of course, as my buddy Mel Gibson always says, if you remember the 60s, you weren't there. You read it in a book. Saw it on PBS or Mom and Dad told you all about it. Back when TV was 2 colors and 3 channels and went off at 10 o'clock. You remember me from my other job, don't you? Remember them cold fingers, you betcha. Absolutely. No remote control. That's right. You had to get up. You had to get up and change the channel. You know how many fellas we had to chase out of this chair where you got back? 4 or 5 in Richmond's too. Hope you all have a good time with us today. Thank you all very much. Come back next summer when it's hotter before kids.